Today we are making delicious shortcrust pastry pie. Sift the flour and break 2 eggs. Melt butter. Add baking soda, salt and sugar and mix it all together. Boil potato until half cooked. Add melted butter to flour and eggs and mix it well together. Knead the dough and put in fridge for 20 minutes. Chop half onion. Chop half kilo chicken breast. Fry chicken in the frying pan. Add salt and pepper to taste. Grate 2 cloves of garlic. Add onion and fry 10 more minutes. Spread the dough in the baking dish. Mash potato. Grate 200 gram cheese. Put chicken inside and mix all together. Put the filling inside baking dish. Grate around 50 gram cheese and put in preheated oven and bake 40 minutes. And bon appetit!